You'll be needing also your head. Welcome to my channel. It's Evie. So today I'm going to be doing a total hair wrap tutorial. You've probably been seeing most of the skincare girls like the way they do it, and you've been wondering how you can do it on your own at home. So chill, this video is for you. So first off, you'll be needing your towel and also your head. So you start by placing your towel on your head and twisting it round. If you have like an actual head, like it's supposed to pass through this hole. So since I don't, so I'll just like twist it round and then flip it back. When I flip it back, this remaining excess I turn back and then tuck it at the back. It's just as simple as that. So bye, thanks for watching, see you next.